Ever wonder why the world's fastest trains look like they have a giant, pointy beak? It's not just for aesthetics. Without this bird, these trains would literally be exploding eardrums every time they entered a tunnel. Back in the 90s, Japan's famous Shinkansen, the bullet train, had a massive problem: the sonic boom. When the train hit a tunnel at 200 miles per hour, it pushed a wall of air so hard that it created a thunderous bang at the other end. It was so loud it woke up entire neighborhoods and even damaged the tunnels themselves. Engineers were stumped until Eiji Nakatsu, an engineer and birdwatcher, looked at the Kingfisher. See, a kingfisher can dive from the air into water at high speeds with barely a splash. The secret? Its beak is a perfect wedge. It transitions from low-resistance air to high-resistance water, seamlessly. Nakatsu redesigned the nose of the 500 series Shinkansen to mimic that beak. The results were mind-blowing. 15% less electricity consumption, 10% faster speeds, and total silence. The sonic boom is gone. Nature spent millions of years perfecting aerodynamics. Humans, we're just finally starting to copy the homework. Subscribe my channel for more unbelievable facts. Thank you.